Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Quant here, just do a quick update. So Quant right now is trading at $111.97. So we've seen a massive drop and basically kind of taking a look at some reversal signs, taking a look on the monthly time frame. It does kind of look bearish to me, to be honest with you. At the very top here for the month of December, it does resemble a shooting star candlestick. Again, with the wick twice the size of the body. The body itself at the very bottom does show a small wick, but again, it is still okay. It does show a lot of volatility when it came to the bulls throughout the month, pushing the price again, what we observed at 171. But we are seeing the activity mainly at the very bottom here through the surge of the bears. So essentially with the shooting star candlestick, we may see price again come down to the possible $79. I know that is crazy here, but at the same time though, this reversal candlestick is observed at the very top. Confirmation will kind of come in a little bit more next month for January to see if we're able to close above this candlestick body of the shooting star candlestick. They may show us some bullish patterns, but majority of these candlesticks here of the next session closes below the body and kind of shows us some bearish signals. But we are here to monitor this for Quant itself and kind of take a look at how this plays out. In terms of the weekly time frame, again, we are seeing that sell off from that immediate high. It does kind of look a little bearish to me as well, with the RSI continuing to drop around 55% and a possible confirmation of a sell signal when the RSI drops below the signal line. Also with the momentum, it is slowing down here. We see these bars getting lighter, but most importantly, a significant drop from last week's histogram and bar. So it is kind of cooling off and we're seeing that sell and the bears coming in. We can see this so far for the low of this week has reached down to $142. Now going into the daily time frame here, it's a little promising from this bottom, again from that low of $94.76 for Quant. Now this candlestick here at the very bottom is observed as a hammer candlestick. Even though it is considered a reversal candlestick, we also need confirmation from the next session candlestick to see if we're able to confirm this reversal. So ideally we are looking for a strong green body candle that does show us that the bulls are stepping in at this area of support. But without that confirmation, if we do see a very small body kind of followed by this hammer candlestick, then price may not move as quickly as we want it to and retest areas of resistance. Also, we do see a weakness in the momentum of our current candlestick, but then again, it hasn't closed quite yet. So we do have to wait for some confirmation in order to see some bullish pullbacks. Immediate short term for 4 hours, we do observe at this very bottom here, it is called a piercing pattern of these candlesticks. So we can see where these candlesticks at the very bottom, the close and open of the session is relatively the same. This is an alternative. Okay, it may not be ideally for this piercing pattern, but it was followed by a confirmation of a strong bullish candlestick here. Now with piercing patterns, the green candlestick needs to close above 50% of the previous red candlestick for it to kind of check off that characteristics of a piercing reversal candlestick or pattern itself. And again, followed by a bullish candlestick. As we observe the next session itself, for the 4 hour, we see basically smaller bodies form. We see wicks at the very bottom here. This may just be a warning sign that may soon come. It may not be immediate. We may surge and reach up to the 20 moving average as a high of $114 if we're still seeing the body itself open up. If we do see smaller bodies like this, then it does show us some weakening of the top, possibly a spinning top candlestick formed at the very top. Just wait for the next session itself. If it does close below the previous session's candlestick, and it does show some indications of a lot of selling with accompanied by higher volume, then price is going to reverse down and come to an immediate area of support. If we take a look at a few of our indicators to kind of back up some of these candlesticks that we see a little bit more of a moderate RSI. Doesn't really show us any bullish or bearish features. It's very just neutral momentum here at 51%. Now, taking a look at our MACD indicator, this is kind of where we do want to tread just lightly in the 4-hour time frame. Yes, the bars are getting green. They are slowly growing, but the MACD indicator line is observed at the very bottom of our 0%. Again, it is showing us the overall trend itself is a bearish trend. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you in terms of Quant. If we do observe the candlesticks getting closer at the very top here, but if we're not seeing that surge of, the bodies opening up and very confidently see bullish candlesticks, then we may not come up and retest $114. We may come back down and retest $102 for the next Fibonacci level as the price is observed in a downtrend for the 4-hour time frame. This may just be a minor pullback until the price comes down again. But let me know what you guys think down below for Quant. Thank you guys so much for watching, showing me the support, like and subscribe, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.